Welcome back to our typical Sunday, and you decide to want to cry. No. So our typical Sunday would be wash our cars, him do some yard work, me do some inside housework, laundry, get all the trashes out because on Tuesday, trash day. Right now you can watch me clean up, get the dishwasher started, get this island cleaned up, get the stove cleaned up, and if you see, I finally took out that cast iron scale that was there from last weekend. So some major updates. It's actually 5 minutes till 5. Hi. Oh no, he's starting to fit. Anyways, so we have some major updates. We got the handle on. We actually were waiting for the people, so we decided to go to Costco right around noon. Sorry, I'm trying to get like my hand settled in. What's the matter? Want some? Alright. This guy wants a little something to drink.
Hi guys.
Alright, so we did a quick little grocery haul from Walmart and Costco. Not much. It's just some of the stuff that we needed. I'll do it. We just actually got it all right now. So my husband just brought it in. Some Sunny D, because I really didn't want to buy the individual ones from Costco because I like to drink them, but I don't like the sports bottle spinach, because I was talking about making spinach, mushroom, and onions with my mom, so that's why the reason why I bought that. We did not get to do lettuce wraps yesterday, which was Saturday. We ended up going over to a friend's house for a birthday party, so I bought more meat because we're very hungry. Those mushrooms I talked about, me and my mom were talking about, my mom and I were talking about it. More bananas, because the kids love bananas. Some lettuce for that lettuce wrap, because I like to buy that stuff fresh. Hiccups for when I eat guacamole, because that baked, everybody's been eating it. Now let me bring you guys closer to the other side, which was more stuff. Another thing that is not in here is actually in the garage. It's the cooler. It's really small, but my point was to go find something that I could pull instead of carry for a cooler. So I bought a cooler. I bought this because when I bought that OxyClean, it came in a bag, and it was like frustrating to me because it came in a bag and I didn't want to spill it, so I bought this little boy. Everybody in my house are boys besides me. So I say boy, bad boy. Banana. We're gonna make some smoothies. My husband got some fish oil. He got this ring because he's starting to work out again. Actually, there you go, they're focused. Because his other one He actually lost some weight, so he wanted something more reliable. He didn't want to lose the nicer one that I got, because I got him, I actually got him, this is his 5th ring, and the first one that I ever bought him was our promise ring for each other, and it was Gucci. And long story short, it just went bye-bye. So my husband got this. It's not focusing. There we go. And some ice cream, because I want to make some smoothies. Just some plain vanilla ones. This is actually from Costco. My husband and I are going through this dilemma with the Tupperwares. Either we don't have enough, or we have more of lids. So Coke, because both of us were going through withdrawals. Sorry. Anyways, some salt, because I realized that we were running out of salt. And when my husband came home, or when we went to Costco, they came back and they fixed the refrigerator. Our timing is impeccable, because when we got to Costco, we got the call that they were coming to give us a screwdriver, or the screws for the freezer side door handle. So I was there maybe 15-20 minutes by myself, so I went through all the aisles so slowly so that I didn't have to be done, but like I went, and then I just showed when my husband came back, I had to show him a shoe rack, because I finally found a shoe rack. Anyways, some Z-bars. I realized that these were a little bit healthier and he liked them. Let's just see if he'll eat the iced oatmeal cookies. We'll see. And we got this from Walmart for the smoothies, because I've been craving smoothies and I didn't want to go buy freaking Jamba Juice every day. I've been needing a new shower head, because it's very hard to clean our shower. Because we don't have, the way I've been doing it is taking a cup and just pouring it on the glass window. And I wasn't having it. So I told my husband, let me just bite the bullet. Let me get this. Let's see how it works. I like the other one better, but then that was way expensive. And I was like, I'm not spending $50. Nope. So yeah, I got this. And the last thing, they were sampling this, so I had to get it. Plus I love it. And also, not for me, but I'll drink it when I feel like it, which I do feel like it, is some beer. Now, they always tell you to drink responsibly, so we do. We don't get drunk when we have kids. It's usually just 1 or 2, and that's it. But me, I don't drink as much as I used to when we were young and dumb, right? Young and dumb. So this guy right here, this is a shoe rack right here. My glasses are getting dim again, so. I needed a solution for the shoes. I am gonna get some, I'm actually gonna get rid of some of them. But, yeah. Now let's put this together.